Let's go. New cut. Here for Fright Nights. I've heard of wild rumour that they might be building a new roller coaster here. First time I've been here since this has gone up. It's really cool, and obviously there's loads of hype around this coaster now, and it's really starting to take shape over the back there. But I saw it's difficult to see from here, but yeah, it is looking immense.
Hey kid, don't let your
They've opened a new toy shop. Great, I can do some Christmas shopping while I'm here.
everything you know that you can get.
This riding coasters really builds an appetite. It's a bit early for lunch. Right. And I've heard there's somewhere new to eat. It's time for brunch with everybody's favourite family. Let's go and see what Ma's cooking up. So, just finished brunch with the Buckwheats. Wow, what an amazing experience that was. So we got Elijah measured at guest services this morning, and he is finally comfortably 90 centimetres, which means he's been able to do flying fish, which we were promising him he could do all week.
You should make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt.
And he's now done it, so let's see what he thinks. Elijah, what did you think of flying fish? Yeah? Give it 10. That's brilliant. So there we go. He's enjoyed his first ride on flying fish. It's Sam Costello!
They don't wanna see me make it, they don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's
So G-Man's recently discovered a new YouTube idol, and it's not me, and that is the legendary Sam Costello. So he's come out to join us today and surprise G. G's absolutely like made up about this, meeting his new YouTube idol, and he just dragged Sam on depth charge.
I've got a story. Do you know we went running up the ramps?
Yeah.
G-Man has gone running up, and there's this group of like teenage girls. And they're just talking. They turn around, they just see a little like Pennywise running up. They just scream their heads off, scared the life out of them. It's so funny.
Love it.
If you like what you see, then please hit that subscribe button and never miss another video.
We're here at Swan Island for survival games. Wasn't the greatest run through last year. I'm hoping for a much better run through this year. So yeah, survival games. But CJ's going to come and do survival games and all the other mazes with me this time. He hasn't done a maze for, well, with me since Creepy Caves in 2019. How you feeling? Good? Let's go.
May the odds be ever in your favor.
Let go now! Let go! In!
That's how I do it.
It was so much better than last year. I've been thrown against walls. I've been made to lap bits of the inside of the maze. I've had sledgehammers swung at me, and I was chased out with a couple of chainsaws. Exactly what I was looking for. What do you think of survival games?
Not too bad. Pretty light compared to what I thought it was going to be like.
Decent though. So next we're heading into Howell's Toy Emporium and Stitches. How you feeling about this one?
A bit better after the first one.
Right, so this is the 2023 new maze, Stitches. Seen lots of hype about this, so let's go check it out. We've just come out of Stitches. Oh my god, it was terrifying.
It was very spooky.
Literally,
It's really shit.
it was just survival games was nothing compared to that. That was just unbelievable. Really enjoyed that. Really great new maze. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely loved it. Absolutely bricking ourselves. The best and worst bit of Stitches for me was the monkey with the cymbals. I saw him. I knew he was there. He came flying at me. Absolutely scared me to death. TJ thought it was funny, laughed at me. Yeah, Mr. Clappy, I'm going to call him that. Then came round the corner and got him a good one. And then he jumped out of his, literally jumped out of his shoes. It was just, yeah, it was brilliant. Absolutely love Stitches. Can't recommend that enough. I hope it's back next year.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear that my mind.
Let's go do trailers.
If only the queue had actually been this short, maybe I'd have enjoyed it a bit more. But it wasn't.
So we've just done trailers. What can I say? I didn't like it last year. I didn't think it was very good. I don't like it this year. I don't think it's very good. It just doesn't work for me. PJ, you quite enjoyed trailers, didn't you?
Yeah. The one that scared me the most. It was very quick. Didn't have a lot of time to go through rooms and see what was actually in there.
Yeah, we were a bit rushed through, I think, but the queue was massive. I mean, we were queuing for nearly an hour to get into trailers. I regret that. But there we go, that's the scare maze is done. We've got scare zones and some shows to catch now, so I'll catch you soon.
Faces on site. This is your time to become who you want to be. And at Creature Campus, we believe you can achieve your full potential. Attention all creatures, this is your freshest council speaking. Let's show the new students how we celebrate new beginnings, Creature Campus style.
Welcome to my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when I'm falling. Cover up my scars, flip the handlebars. Crashing in my car, wake up in a bar. I'll be a superstar, just on my avatar. This world is so bizarre, empty out the reservoir. Yeah, I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face.
Since the day we woke and touched the ground, not a single being has wanted us around. As they spited us in every word, the screams we released, they never heard. You tortured us for what you were told. Tales of witchcraft that frightened souls. We each learned our power grew, and we became the witches you thought you knew. Never again will we burn and stick, as trust in you was our mistake. Now it's time to face your trial. The excruciating heat will melt your smile.
Lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm feeling okay. I think I'm going crazy, don't think I'll get home safe. So I'm taking 6 shots all straight to the face. I'm taking 6 shots, are you coming with me? Sometimes you need to let loose, grab juice, get goose, tattoos, taboos, get screwed. Loosen up, buttercup, all those hate comments will never make you feel enough. We're all adequate graduates, hearts full of calluses, but we know calculus. Damn, ain't that fabulous, can't wait to apply all those mathematicus. But we can't get a job that pays us enough, I'm about to pop off. Fuck you, you're lost, we all know that we never really want a boss. So I'ma do what I want to. Something I...
We tried to play fair. Now we face the full wrath of this code.
undo. Yeah, I'ma do what I want to. Something I can't undo. I'm taking 6 shots, yeah, straight to the face. And I wanna get lost, I'm sick of this place. Don't know how to stop when I'm feeling this way. So I'm taking 6 shots till I'm anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, you can build a building until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner.
So we had planned on doing Crows and Death's Doors, but sadly the queues for both have become ridiculously long.
Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving.
Meaning that there's just not enough time to do that and night rides. The ride queues themselves have also got very long, which is quite understandable, but meaning we're probably only going to get to do one night ride. To excuse the light here. And I think we're going to opt for stealth for that. We are going to go and catch the Lucifers Lair show, because everybody wants to do that, and I did promise Vanessa that we would come over and see the Lucifers Lair show. So yeah, we're definitely going to take that in at 8 o'clock, and then I think we're going to join the queue for stealth and get a night ride in.
Hi! You didn't use the video?
Yeah.
Hi guys! Follow him! Subscribe!
Wait, make sure you subscribe, yeah?
My name's Hope Barney. Add me on TikTok, guys.
No, don't shout yourself out. Have a good one, yeah?
Have
Cheers, guys. Have a good night. Rush in the dark, absolutely insane. Whoa, that's a good night ride. Really glad we opted to do that. But yeah, Rush, dark rides, insane. So we just caught the 8 o'clock show at Lucifers Lair. Oh my god, that was just insanely amazing. The choreography, the music, the pyrotechnics, just insane. I've seen some great shows here at Thorpe Park this year. That was by far the best. And the Amity show, and it just rounds off an absolutely amazing season for the Ents team here at Thorpe Park, who I can't thank enough for the absolute commitment to providing great shows and entertainment here this season. And I'm going to give another particular shout out to Vanessa, who did a dad dance with me way back in the early part of the season, and has become a firm friend, and has been involved in everything that's been great about this park. And there's so many others: Mia, Cara, Lara, Luke, just so many names I can reel off. All been absolutely amazing, and that show was just the pinnacle of an amazing season. So we're going to finish our night with a night ride on Stealth. Never done it the night before, obviously. Always been way too anxious to even contemplate that. But this year we're rounding off a great season of anxiety busting and rides here at Thorpe Park with a night ride on Stealth. See you on the other side. That's it, we just got off Stealth. Last ride of the day. We've had a great day here at Fright Nights. Well, I have. Teach, you had a good day?
Experience has been really good, really fun as well.
Yeah? And Stealth is a night ride. Oh my god, what a ride. That view from the top of from the top hat was just insane. Yeah, it's been a great day here. It's a shame it's got to come to an end, but end it must. So that's all from us, from me, from him, and everyone else. I'll see you soon.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I run.